What's up, folks? Heine's morning update. 6:17 a.m. March 17th, or excuse me, May 17th. I'm lost. Anyway, this morning we are above the 4070 level at 4076. High was just printed 4083. We have kind of this bottom round here that I talked about yesterday. My pivot for today, my over-under is 4017, 4016. We're well above that. We should open above 36 and 43, which puts it in bullish stature. Here's your daily. We looked at that roundabout I talked about yesterday, is that people, the bulls thought, okay, this is your low. Now we're going to, really continue higher. We'll see if that's the case. If you looked at this one, we had a doji 2 up, and then we just crushed souls on this one. So we'll see if this continues up. Also, rumor of kind of a poor man's head and shoulders here. And this, people are talking about it. I don't necessarily see it, but for sake of argument, let's say it is. 4100 would be that threshold. So a cross above that would break it and then take it further. So 4100 is going to be my first real level to watch today, and then 4125, 4123, 4125 would be the next level. I could even see a 4130, and if you look up here, we've got you got a naked POC at 4129, so 4130, that would bring a little volume void in there. But I really think that the 23 level should be the top if we continue to go up. You could see, as Joey talked about, a gap up and then a sell-off and then a return back. Pivots 4036. So you can use that level as well, as long as my 4017. 4015 is kind of your volume high for right now. R2 is at 4071. That's convenient. Look at that. R3 is at 4100. Back down, your support's at 3972. So look at that. S1 and R2 are both my pretty much my levels for the range. And then if we get down to these two, then we're probably all going to die. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so the euro just popped. That was holding below 105. It just popped above 105. 105 to 103 half was kind of my range. So we'll watch this. If this continues up, then that should pave the way for a higher ES. So keep that on your radar. We'll see if that continues. That's a decent move today for currency. As again, I've been saying, the currencies have really been moving. This didn't move prior to this. So Europe had 0.1% gain in quarter over quarter, year over year in GDP. So they had some, I'd say, not decent numbers, but decent numbers for the euro. So that'll be something you guys should watch. So again, upside today, pretty simple. 4100, 4123, possibly 4130 is a top. And then on the low side, I'd watch that 43.36 for support. Definitely the 4017 levels for support. And if we break 4,000, then, all bets are off. We should see 80. But again, that would be huge. So I would assume we'd consolidate here, maybe dip on the open and then retreat and then come back higher. Who knows? We'll see where cash opens. It's another 3 hours. So anyway, those are my levels. Stay safe today. And watch that PDT stuff. If you're doing PDTs, don't dupe it and put another trade on the same strike. I know some people have done that, and it's a nightmare. Anyway, so be careful. Trade small if you're unsure, or don't trade at all. You don't have to trade every day. If you don't like it, don't trade it. Save your capital. All right? Bye.